Jai Hind students, welcome to back in computer class. Today we will learn here make a presentation on table fan. Make a table fan and give the effect on that. First button, second button and third button, and then after give the animation of that to move, and then after we will discuss about exercise. Click on start button and choose all apps. Then after scroll down and find it Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on it to open it. Yes, then after choose the blank presentation. The window will be appear like this type. It is a normal view. I want to change that view blank side, and you know very well how can you change the background. Right click and change the background, format background, choose the option format background and what you want. Suppose I want to that, and it is my background is there first, and then after close it. Yes, insert a frame. How? Very simple. First you have to make a circle. Yes, with no fill. This is the no fill. Okay, and then after once again click on insert and choose the shape which like a fan type. Suppose I want to choose the stars. Yes, I have taken this one and drag this type, and also change the color of this. It is depend on you which color you want. Suppose I want to this color, and then after it is the back side, reduce it and this color will be changed. And you can also change this one. Red color. And copy and then paste and reduce the size. Once again copy and paste and reduce the size. And once again paste, reduce the size, copy and reduce the size, and then after last one once again copy and then paste and fill the color in this side. Double click on that and fill which color you want. Suppose I want to this color, and then after make a group of that. Leave that side and make a group. Select it and right click and choose the group for one group. Now it is a single. Yes, first you have to make this and click on this one, and then after make the shape for that, copy and choose the rectangle type में. Yes, and then Once again, choose the oval shape. Yes, it will be front of that. Right click to front it. Yes, and make a group. Once again, select it and right click and choose the group. Now it is a single and send it back. It is a back. Send back. Your fan is clear, but button is like this type. We will be click the button for that. It is the first slide. Here is the first slide. Yes, and make the button. Once again, insert, choose it and it button for the insert. And it is the normal. This for high and this for first. So first you have to choose for that text. Select the text, insert, click on insert button and choose the word art or anyone. It is a depend on you. Suppose I have choose this word text also and type here stop. Slow. Medium. And fast. Are high. This is 3 button and one more is for the stop. How can you give the effect on this? Very simple. First I want to move my fan. Select this one and give the animation of that. It is a stop and this for this whole selection. Control C to copy or you can here and press M, Control plus M to make a new slide. If you want to same color or duplicate, remove it and press the Control D. Same will be appear. It is a Control D for the same copy and then after give the effect. It is your home. And when you have to start from here, stop, it will be stop on first screen and second when you have to click on slow it will be move. So first click on slow and give the effect. Before that we have to start for that and click on animation for that, add animation. Here is the given many types of animations. Click on more intense and choose from here to spin. See, there is a given spin. And click on OK button and animation is that and click on that one and timing is with click, on click, and very slow, and until end of the slide. Okay, click on OK button. No, remove it. Once again, select it, add animation, click on spin. Okay, and give the effect for that slow. Time with previous, and medium means very slow, and click on OK until end of the slide. OK. Now this will be more like this type. So it is the your first slide. Okay, and now take the second one and give the, it is the first means your first slide is there, and then after second slide once again copy, and then Ctrl V means paste same, or you can choose the duplicate of that one, Ctrl plus D. Yes, it is a duplicate, and now already there is a given, this will be second one, and give the medium with previous and choose the duration, it is a medium, and click on OK button. Now it is the in medium position, and once again choose that one and press Ctrl D to make a duplicate for that, and then after choose the animation point, and there is a given timing is with very fast, and click on OK button. OK, and then after give the bookmarks or hyperlink. Before that it is a your start button, click on insert and choose the shapes in illustration group, and there is a given a button, and choose home for here. See where is a given home button is there, home button is here, click on that and drag it home. It is your home first slide, and choose this copy and paste every page, and next also, and next also. It is the home button, means when you have to click on here, it will locate on the first, means start, or you can also choose for this stop button. Okay, right click or that there is a given hyperlink, click on hyperlink and choose that. Before that you have to save your presentation. Suppose I want to save this presentation, name is on desktop, choose and fan speed, click on OK, save button to save it. Now then after you can right click on this button, option will be appear, choose the hyperlink, and then after choose that file name. I have to choose fan speed. Then after choose the bookmark is here, there is a given first slide and second slide, third slide, means it is the on first slide. Okay, now your first slide is selected, and then close it. Okay, when you have to click on here, it will be display for that, and second for that, click on once again, right click and give it hyperlink and choose your file and then give the bookmarks and give the first OK and click on OK button. It is selected. Next one, right click, hyperlink, and once again that one, fan speed, and bookmark is second for that, and click on OK. And third one, right click, hyperlink, and choose it, fan speed, and click on OK. And last one, high speed, right click, hyperlink, choose your file, fan speed, and bookmark is fourth number, and click on OK button and then OK. Means you have to give the command on that one, and it is on first one. Then after all button you have to select copy, and in other one you have to just remove that one and paste it. Same things, select it and delete, and then after paste it. And last one also select it and then after paste. Means your slide has ready to take it, how it will be displayed. Click on slideshow icon and it will be appear. See, it is selected. When you have to click on stop, when you have to click on slow, when you have to click on medium, when you have to click on high, and medium is not working, so click on home and yes. Yes students, you can see easily. Once again click on that one. I want to start my presentation, what I have made it. Click on show, slideshow and click. See, it is a stop button. It is a slow. Speed on, fan speed will be slow when you have to click on it. And if you want to click on medium, click on for that one. It is a medium is here. And if you want to click on high, click on here to high it. Yes, if you want to once again slow, it is a depend on you what you want to speed on that one. Yes, then after click on the high, it will be high, and if you have to click on stop, it will be stop. Or you can suppose on here click on medium. Now it is in medium position. When you have to click on slow, it will be in slow position. If you want to click on high, it is in high position. Maybe you have understood to do it this program. How can you make this type of fan to when you have to click on slow button, it will be on slow. When you have to click on high button, it will be high. And when you have to click on stop, it will be stop. It is a depend on you, and make other presentation or other project on that. If you have to take any other one, you can make it. Very simple. Use your ideas and make a presentation. Click on home button on if you are to high speed and you want to click on home button, what will be here? You will be just stop or go on that. See. Okay. Maybe you have understood. I want to save it, and then after see there is a given with starting, there is a given with previous. Now students, we will discuss about our exercise You can see on the page number 103 and 104 also. I want to share my screen to see it. There is a given fill in the blanks. So yes, what will be here? To change the background of a slide, select background from the where. Select it. Yes, and then see what will be there. It is the design tab. Then after second one, add a special effect to text or an object. Yes, it will be animating. And then after, different types of motion effect applied to the slide are called what? Slide transition. And then after, dash displays the slide on the full screen on one after the other. Yes, PowerPoint show or slide show. Next one, use the mouse button to drag file to your desktop as a shortcut. Left mouse button. Okay, who can tell which icon is here? Identify the icon. Which icon is here? Yes, it is normal view. And this icon, who will tell? Which icon is this? It is the slide sorter view. And then after, which icon is this? Yes, reading view. And this is the important for that. Who will tell? Yes, slide show view. And it is the for, who will tell? Yes, it is the for new slide. Yes, once again, it is a normal view icon, it is a slide sorter view, this is the reading view, it is the slide show view, and it is the new slide. When you have to click on this icon, a new slide will be added in your presentation. Okay, next one. To close, and suppose, yes, think and remember to change the background of one slide or all. It is depend on you. Background can be of any color, pictures or fill effects. To add music or sound in the presentation. To add movie in the presentation. Movies is any video, file or animated pictures. Animation is to add visual effect to text, pictures or any object for entrance, emphasis, exit and motion part. And slide transition is the effect applied when the slide changes. To run a slide show from different places. Shortcut key for this, Ctrl M. To add new slide. To add new slide. Ctrl S. To save your presentation. Escape, ESC button on the keyboard. Exit presentation. And F5 slide show start or start slide show. Maybe you have understood. Do the practice, learn and write more times at your home. Take care. Bye bye.